hari ibintu biri mu byangirika iwawe mu rugo ubireba Imana izabikubaza mu kazi kawe Imana ubireba Imana izabikubaza mu rusengero rwawe ubireba Imana izabikubaza kuko yaguhaye amaso yo kubona yaguhaye amaboko yo gukora ubwenge bwo gutekereza no gushira ibintu mu bikorwa haguruka ubikore wariringiwe n'Imana ikugabira umurimo wayo.
There are things that are being messed up in your household, in your workplace, in your church, in your nation, and God gave you eyes to see them, ears to hear them, hands to solve them. Arise and mind that business which you see.
Why
do you see people destroy the ministry and you keep silent? The work of God. Why do you see children go through the window at night and as a parent you keep it a secret from your spouse? Why? And then you throw a key to them so that you see it. You have the duty to stop it, but you do not do it. And God trusted you for you to see it. He could have trusted someone else, but he gave you the trust and you keep silent. What are you afraid of? Fear not. When God shows you what to do, he gives you the grace to protect you as you do it. Grace will follow your assignment. Many of us, the duties we have, we wouldn't be doing them if we didn't have the grace